It's all right as of now. I didn't do the X-ray because I had to play this game. So, it went off well. I didn't get many hits there. So overall, quite happy that it was not as painful as it could have been. But overall, happy with the performance of the team. So, that really helps.
I'm just coming to Rohit on when did you decide that you would be on the batting?
We had a discussion with him some time before, in the sense, we gave him time to think about it. We all felt, he's someone who can be a really good opener, in the sense he's someone who cuts and pulls really well. And also, with two openers, you want one of the openers to be slightly aggressive than the other. So I think he accepted the challenge, in the sense he also felt, he got into the side because Manoj was unfit, and that's how he got into the side. So I think it was an opportunity for him. The good thing, he took it as a challenge, and I'm glad that he scored runs, because he's one of the most God-gifted talent, that's around. So it's very important that he capitalizes that. And of course, innings like this was very much needed for him. It will give him a lot of confidence and also some time, at the top level. So, I think personally I'm very happy for him.
Yes, please.
बस पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट चेन्नई में गेम था, उसमें रैना पावर प्ले में शुरू होते ही आउट हो गए थे. आप काफी डिसअपॉइंटेड थे. फिर एक और बार ऐसे ही हुआ इस सीरीज में. आप इस तरह की इनिंग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं उनसे फिनिश करके?
आई थिंक ऐसी इनिंग्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस रखती है, क्योंकि हम इसी तरीके से उनको ग्रूम करते आए हैं. ही समन जो कि 5, 6, 7 नंबर पे बैटिंग करते हैं, डिपेंडिंग ऑन सिनारियोज, और मोर ऑफन देन नॉट आप चाहते हैं कि इन नंबर्स के जो प्लेयर्स हैं, वो उनमें गेम फिनिश करने की का टैलेंट रहे, क्योंकि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि एक ही इंडिविजुअल हर बार मैच फिनिश करेगा. तो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जो 5, 6, 7 पे जो बैट्समैन है, उनको एक ऐसी टेंडेंसी या ऐसी हैबिट बन जाए कि वो मैच जिता के बाहर आए. तो I think he has learned it, but at the same time he has to curb his instincts, because he's an aggressive player. He loves to play his strokes, but he has to curb it for the interest of the team. But I feel it will be good if slowly we can give him some chance to bat slightly up the order, because 5, 6 and 7 you don't get much opportunity, and if you score runs, maybe 60 or 70 is the max that you get generally, and if you don't score runs, then it's 10 or 15. So we'll see how it